Today's video is about crushing these matchboxes. These matchboxes are made of cardboard. Can we crush these matchboxes with force? The answer is both yes and no. You heard it right. Let me show it to you with an example. I have put the cover of the matchbox at the bottom and its tray on the top like this. Now let me hit it hard with my hand. Let's see it again in slow motion. It is completely crushed. But now, here comes the interesting challenge. If you put the matchbox tray at the bottom and its cover on the top like this, then do you think it will be crushed again like the earlier case? I know you are trying to guess, but let me show you what happens. Let's see it again in slow motion. Let's try once more. You can try this at your home by yourself. As you can see that it remains intact. Any guesses why it happens? Let me know your answer in the comment section. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye.